viewers, in this episode I will be showing you how to prepare ginger garlic paste. In many of the Indian dishes we are using ginger garlic paste, so we can prepare it and keep it in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. So let's see what are the ingredients. We require 100 grams of ginger and 100 grams of garlic and 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil. All we need to do is just blend these ingredients in a fruit processor along with the coconut oil. Adding the coconut oil will help to keep this in the fridge for 2 weeks. Let's see how it's done. So our ginger garlic paste is ready. Now we can store it in a glass container. So isn't it simple? If you like my video, please like, comment and share. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.